fuck who they think I am or where I've been. Past is full of sin, this is the life I lead, so it's time to begin. Though I know that there's not one reason for giving in. To lose is to fall, to get up is to win. So let's get ready, set, go, full speed to my dreams. Though I know that everything ain't always what it seems, cause I've come a long way from being a fiend, but I'm still fiending for something to believe in. Breathing every breath as if it's my last. Time slips away into the vastness. Tell you that, I'll tell you this. Sometimes a curse can coincide with a gift, but most of the time I just can't take it, cause I can't take it, cause
it's been too long, I cannot wait.
Can't wait, no I
can't hold me back, gonna make it on my own. Someday I will go into my dreams and fly away, away. I will go into my dreams and fly away, away.
Now looking through the complexities of animosity within my own honesty, cause I know what is right and I know what is good, and I'd keep up with the fight if they only understood the path that I've taken. Love I have forsaken, so I'll hold on to a time before the shame, before the hate. Within a twisted game I sit and contemplate my own fate. I try to concentrate, but I don't know where to go, and I don't know what to do, cause ain't nobody really even know me but a few. They think that they all got me figured out, but have not a clue. I'm still traveling down this road, watching out for signs, hoping everything will be just fine. I said I'll call to say hello, or if I'm in a bind or a rut. Tell you what, won't be gone for long, but while I am, just listen to this song and know that everything that's wrong will be made right. There's no need to fight.
It's been too long, I cannot wait.
Can't wait, no I
can't hold me back, gonna make it on my own. Someday I will go into my dreams and fly away, away. I will go into my dreams and fly away, away.
Out of here, bird! Stop fucking with my food! Tell all the birds to not play with my bag of food, you crazy bird! Enough! Yeah, you too! You too! Don't play with my food! Not cool. Would have offered you a piece, but I'm being rude. Over here recording, and the goal keeps taking my food. Wasn't the first time, nor the second. My goal, don't mess my food, goal. Don't be messing with my food. This is a message to all the seagulls. Don't mess with my food. I mean it. I'm sincere. God bless. See, and he walks away all nonchalant like he wasn't just messing with my food. And like he wasn't messing with it. You were though. I got you on camera too. Yeah. It'll hold up in a court of law, won't it? Oh yeah.
Be the last one not to get the dough. Don't waste love on us, but the cat.